Good morning, everyone. Good to have here. Good to see here. So first of all, very thankful to Mr. Sanjay sir, the principal of this school, and this given this opportunity. So at this moment, we are standing Salon Teraha Road, PM Public School. So let's talk about to her. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sidra Rashid Siddiqui. I study in PM Public School. I study in class 8. I study in PM Public School since 8 years. My school principal name is Mr. Sanjay Maurya. My father's name is Mr. Rashid Ahmed Siddiqui.
Uh, why did celebrate Independence Day?
August 15 celebrate for India's independence because it marks the day in 1947 when India gained its freedom from British colonial rule. This day commemorates the adoption of the Independence Day.
So I would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 and died 30 January 1948. He was known as Mahatma Gandhi, and Bapu was a pivotal figure in India's Independence Day because he is very kind of person, so we call him to Bapu.
Why do you celebrate? How do you celebrate for your school Independence Day?
Independence Day celebrate in our school with flag hosting by principal sir, and after singing national anthem, many skills speeches about the signification of the day.
Introduce yourself.
Myself Alfia Bano. I am 14-year-old. I am daughter of Mr. Muhammad Qasim. I am student of class 8. My hobbies is study. My school name is PM Public School. My school principal name is Mr. Sanjay Maurya sir.
Why celebrate Independence Day?
Independence on 15 August 1947, India became independent from the British Empire following the independence movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and his message of nonviolent resistance.
So, can you explain why I would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi is well known as a freedom fighter and the father of our nation. He is popularly called Bapu. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2, 1869. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai Gandhi. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba Kabadia. He went to London to pursue his higher education.
How does your teacher prepare Independence Day in school?
Independence Day 15 August is celebrated with flag hosting by Principal Sir and singing the national anthem after from many cultural performance, singing, dancing and speech about significance of the day.
Thank you. What is good name?
Good morning. Firstly, I would like to say thank you of class 8. My school name is PM Public School and my principal name is Mr. Sanjay Maurya sir. Thank you.
What would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi was a transformative figure renowned for his philosophy of non-violent resistance and his pivotal role in India independence movement. And he born in 2 October 1869 and his mother name was Putli Bai Gandhi and his father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he is revered as the father of nation in India, and his legacy continued inspire generation.
Why will celebrate Independence Day?
We celebrating our Independence Day on 15th August because it marked the day of nation when the nation gained freedom from British colonial rule after long hard struggle of my freedom fighters.
How does a teacher prepare Independence Day?
We celebrating a 15th August. This celebration includes flag hosting ceremony by principal sir and singing a national anthem, some cultural program like patriotic song, dance, etc.
Thank you. What's your good name?
Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself Anuj Nirmal. My father's name is Mr. Achilles Nirmal and my mother's name is Mrs. Kanchan Nirmal. My father has a private job and my mother is housewife. I am 13 years old. I am from Asikabad, Salon, Raebareli. I study in PM Public School situated in Unchaha Road, Teraon, Salon, Raebareli. I read in 8th standard. My hobby is listening to music. I want to become an IPS officer. I hope you like my introduction.
What I would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi is well known as a freedom fighter and the father of our nation. He is popularly called Bapu. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on 2 October 1869. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai Gandhi. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba Kapadia. He was shot to death on 13 January 1948.
What is celebrate Independence Day?
We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year to remember the day when India became free from British rule in 1947.
How much time you will celebrate in your school?
Flag hoisting ceremony, patriotic songs and performance, cultural events like dance skits, etc., essay competitions, tribute to freedom fighters.
That's great. What's your good name?
Myself is Arshrawat. I belong to a well-cultured family. Nobody can survive in this world without the support of family and friends. The name of my father is Mr. Rajesh Rawat. He is a businessman. My mother name is Mrs. Susila Rawat. She is a perfect homemaker. I have one sibling. I am studying at the best school of the town. I am currently the student. I standard 6th.
So I would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi was a pivotal figure in India independence movement and a globe icon of non-violent resistance. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai Gandhi. He was born 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat.
Why do you celebrate Independence Day?
On August 15th is celebrated as India Independence Day because it marks the day in 1947 when India gained freedom from British colonial rule.
So how do you prepare celebrate independence in your school?
August 15th, we will celebrate hosting flag ceremony, singing the national anthem, and then the cultural program.
How does your teacher preparation for school Independence Day?
Then on 15 August 1947, India became independent from the independence movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and his message of non-violent resistance.
What's your good name?
Myself Satyam Yadav. I am 11-year-old. I am son of Mr. Om Prakash Yadav. My hobby is to study. My school name is PM Public School. My school principal name is Mr. Sanjay Maurya.
What I would like to say about Mahatma Gandhi?
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he was born on 2nd October in Porbandar, Gujarat. He is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai Gandhi.
Why did celebrate Independence Day?
We celebrate the Independence Day by singing national anthem with flag hosting ceremonies, patriotic songs and dances and other cultural programs.
How does your teacher preparation for school for Independence Day?
August 15 is celebrated as Independence Day in India because it marked the national liberation from British colonial rule on this day in 1947.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher and my dear friend. I am going to giving my introduction. My name is Asta Maria. My father's name is Mr. Ravi Shankar Maurya. My mother's name is Mrs. Archana Maria. My school name is PM Public School. I read in class. First, I live at Beverly. I am 7 years old. My favorite color is pink. My favorite dish is rice and pulse. My hobby is reading book. My favorite book is English. My school principal name is Mr. Sanjay Maurya. My class teacher name is Miss Nidhi ma'am. I want to become a doctor. Thank you to all of you.
Yes, I tell you. Ma'am, introduce yourself.
First of all, it's a great pleasure to stand here. Myself Sakshi Singh. I am a teacher of 4th standard.
Ma'am, what is the facilities for your school? Can you explain?
Our school provide the good learning skills and teachers are very qualified that helps to learn the new skills and knowledge in enhancing.
Just little bit have to know about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest freedom fighters. He led India to independence from British rule. He inspired the farmers and laborers to protest against the discrimination and their excessive land taxes.
Introduce yourself.
Very good morning to all of you. Myself Shivani Kaushal. I am from Basantganj. I have completed my education from Lucknow University in educational department, and I have got experience about 3 years, and there are many strengths about me, such as hardworking, quick learners, and I am well developed in crafting, and my favorite works done in crafting and learning also.
Can you explain what is the main best quality for your school?
There are many qualities of my school because there are supportive teachers. When I first came in the school, my principal sir give many support in many types of, such as for attending the class and enhancing the skills and how to deliberate the knowledge to the student and how we cooperate all these things in our school and how to enhance the skills of a student in which manner. And there are many competitions are also in schools for enhancing. There are speaking skills, communication skills, and their learning powers, and also they are provide many type of motivations to how to give the education to the students. They gave many goals in their futures.
Sir, in India, talking about every leaders have to came like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Pant. So who is the most like your leaders?
My most liked leader is Mahatma Gandhi because he done many things for freedom from British colonial rule, because he wanted to live without any foundation. He want to live without foundation because no any boundary can give a proper success to any person. That he done many type of movements also, such as Satyagraha movement and Dandi March, which provides many type of education, such as how to remove our boundaries from which are not very beneficial for us. They do many things for our country, such as they also making many laws like provide the primary education to the student without taking any type of fees. He also present in his articles about how to give their education free and compulsory education, which is very important for each and every student which are not capable for taking a high quality education. He provided many things such as scholarship without fee dresses, textbooks for improving the quality of students and their future also, because learning or education is very important for each and every student for enhancing their future and making the life skills and also processing our future generation in a better way. And also lastly I want to pay a very grateful thanks to my principal sir, because he is always praise me and always tell how to remove our mistakes time to time.
I'm Farhan Siddiqui, CRS News, Raebareli.